Welcome to DDS. We are going to test injection molding controller after repair. It's originally unable to boot starting and no display at all. After we repair, you can see here the display is start booting. Yes, booting is completed. We can see here the application. This is a machine application for injection molding. These keyboards are using for operators. You can see here there is a F1 to F10 keyboards. Successfully we are repaired injection molding controller using in industries. Please visit for your industrial repair solutions DDS. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for more repairing videos on industries.